If your Outlook not sending and receiving the email, then what kind of troubleshoot you have to check, or what kind of setting you have to check in Outlook, I'll show you this video tutorial. So okay, so guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open my Outlook. So first, if you're not getting receiving and sending the email, that first we have to check to go to the send and received, and here you can see the work offline. So it is, for me it is disabled, and this status is connected. In bottom you can see, but if I enable it, you can see the connected status will be changed. It's working on offline, so you have to check it. If it is enabled for you, just disable it is, and it will be connect to your internet definitely. So now this first method you can check. Now you need to check in junk email. Okay, so sometime what happen, junk filter block your sending email or receiving email. So come to the home and go to the junk, and go to the junk email option, and here you have to choose the protection want as per requirement. So I just set the low protection and just click on OK. Okay, so now let me show you the next troubleshoot. Go to the file and go to the account, and you can check the server setting. Under the server setting you can check incoming mail and incoming server and port. Okay, this incoming server and port will you can see on your original email, webmail. Like if you are using Gmail, then you can see your original server port and incoming server and port in Gmail setting. Okay, go to the check the outgoing mail server name and port, and select the method that SSL and TLS. Okay, for both you have to select the method SSL and TSL. Okay, and just click on next. Now it is updated, and okay, so now again go to the account setting and check the update password. And here if you have changed your account password, then you can re-enter it, or click on next, and then you can re-enter and can click on next. If your password is right, it will be updated automatically. And you can also check the okay, we change account name and synchronize settings. So you can change your check your account name. Okay, this is your email ID, you have to check it, or you can reset mail setting in this account IMP setting. Just reset it and click on next, it will be update. Okay, so that is troubleshoot you have to check. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.